Let's talk more about curves and how we can adjust the shape and some handy shortcuts. So like you saw, I can click this to open up the curves view. What I can also do is drag the top right-hand corner out to make the view bigger. You can also move this around to different areas within your UI. Some other handy things that you can do is when you create a node point, I just click and I can create the shape. But if I hover over here and hold down Option, I can change that curve. If I move this around maybe here, you'll see that more clearly. So changing that curve from exponentially to logarithmic. Same over here. Now, if I hover over a point like here and then hold down Option, it's actually changing the curve shape between 2 points. So let me show you that in action over here. So I'm going to drag this up, hold down Option, and I'm changing the curve shape between those points. Now, that is really handy. And another thing is if I hold down Command on the Mac or Control on the PC, and I select a point, and I move up, all the points respectively after that is going to be adjusted. So I can move them across, move them back, and all sorts of things like that. So that's quite handy for moving things around. So that's just some quick handy shortcuts that you can use to help you to customize this view. Now, when I get into some of these other MSEGs, there are some other options. For example, when I get into segments, I'll show you there how we can use the zoom tools and do some different things within this view. So now let's jump into segments and see what segments is and what type of MSEG this is.